Felicia. Welcome to the music section of this BLACKPINK's tutorial. How you like that? If you guys had accidentally clicked on this and wanted the explanation video, go ahead and click up there. I also will link it in the description box below. But today we will be going 75-90 full speed for the chorus of How You Like That. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as per usual, don't forget this video is mirrored. And let's get started. For learning this entire dance tutorial with me. I really hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to tag me at felicia.covers if you guys ever decide to post this. All my social media sites are in the description below, so I use Instagram and TikTok a lot. Hope to see y'all there, and thank you so much for all your support. It really helps me so much, so thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.